Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat web channel Quantifiers. So in today's set of the day, we are going to discuss a very interesting DI set. Okay, before I move there, if you wish to receive all these sets and important questions in your PDF, in your WhatsApp, you can just fill the link form in the description. Description में Google form है, आप उसको fill करें and you will get all these messages in your WhatsApp. Now, like I always say, अगर आपने Facebook एंड आई रियलाइज की ज्वाइन की स्पेलिंग भी गलत है, अगर आपने हमारा फेसबुक और टेलीग्राम का ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया, यू आर इन अ ग्रेट लॉस, राइट? प्लीज ज्वाइन दैट नाउ. ओके, let's see what's the set for today. It says 22 models of motorcycles for four different brands, Java, Yazdi, Rajok, and Luna, were displayed at the Bikes Expo held in Mumbai. The bar chart below gives the statistics of all the motorcycle as per their engine power. So this is something cumulative data given that at least 45 HP there are 5 bikes. Okay, and so on. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. There is exactly sorry. The engine power of all the motorcycles were multiple of 5 and light between 5 and 50 both included. So basically all the multiples of 5 to 50 and these are included. So these are 10 multiples. These 10 multiples, all the bikes are from these 10 multiples. Okay. There is exactly one motorcycle of 10, 25, 30, 35 and 45. Okay. So for these, we have only one. The number of motorcycles of each brand were distinct and multiples of 2. Okay, so 2, 10. Okay. All the 10 motorcycle of the brand ESD had different engine powers. The table below give the total HP information of all the brand. Total HP is the sum of the engine powers offered by the brand. So अगर इसकी 3 बाइक्स हैं 50, 50 और 25, तो 125 हो जाता है आंसर, right? So this is what they mean by total HP. Now let's look at it. It says, I have read everything. I know for a fact that it is given to me all of the 10 motorcycle of the brand ESD had 10 different powers. So ESD की 10 bikes and all the bikes have different powers. And I know for a fact that I have only 10 multiples to distribute. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So these are the 10 engine powers that are on the offer, right, for the 10 motorbikes. Then, and YSD had all of them. YSD had all of them, 10, which means that YSD had from 5 to 50, all 10 variants. So its total HP would be nothing but there are 10 variants, 10 into 5 plus 50 by 2. It is an AP. AP में हम समय से निकाल सकते हैं. 10 into 55 by 2, that is 5 into 55, 275. The first question was that easy. Only if you have, use your brain a bit. ऐसे खत्म हो जाता है हमारा question. ठीक है. So this also answers our first question. What is the total horsepower of all the motorcycles? So 100, 275, 375, 375, 100, 550, 650. 650 is the answer of first question. Okay. Now let's analyze this. So I have only one motorcycle of 10, 25, 30, 35 and 45. I have only one motorcycles of these 4 powers, 4, 5 powers. Okay. Now 10, 25, 30, 35 and take it down. Now, let's use this chart. They say at least 45 HP is 5 motorcycles, right? At least 45, which means 45 and above. Yani ki 45 and 50 basically. There are 5 motorcycles, out of which 45 has 1. 45 की अगर एक है तो बाकी 4 कहाँ होंगे? यहाँ होंगे. Perfect. So this is taken care of. Okay, so there are total of 22 motorcycles. Total at 22 अपने पास motorcycles and at least 10 HP are 19. 10 HP, at least 10 HP, which means 10 and above are 19. So how many motorcycles will be below 10? There are 3. Simple as that. ठीक है. अगर कम से कम 10 वाली 19 है, यानी 10 और 10 से सारी बड़ी वाली 19 है, तो 10 से कम वाली कितनी होगी? 3 होगी. वो कौन सी होगी? ये वाली. ठीक है. डन. Okay. Now, at least 15 HP. At least 15 HP. Oh, sorry, at most 15 HP. At most 15 HP is 6. which means up to this there are 6 bikes. So if there are 4 up to this point, then there are 2 bikes over here. At least 25 are 13. So there are 13 bikes which are at least 25, which are at least 25, right? So there are 13 bikes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 8. So this must be 5. So these bikes must be 5. Chicken. 41 हमारे पास 5 bikes होगी, right? Now, about 20. So out of 22, 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 1, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, 19 are allocated. Rest are only 3. 3 are left. So these 3 must be here. Perfect. Done. So I have sorted this. Now, second question is how many motorcycle had engine power of 50 bh, 50 HP? So these are 4, right? Again, straightforward. Now, see, Java has only 2 motorcycles and total HP is 100. Only 2 and total HP is 100. Right. So let us understand it this way. There are 2 motorcycle and 100, which means there is only one possibility, that is 50 plus 50. Right. There is no other possibility. Right. But because if out before that, there the number is 45. Right. And that too belongs to YSD for sure, because YSD has all the type of variants. So whatever these 1 bikes are, these are definitely YSDs. Right. So there is only one possibility, that both the bikes of Java are 50 plus 50. So 50 comma 50. So 10, 11, 12. 12 bikes are allocated and the remaining are 10 now. So 10 bikes are to be distributed among Rajput and this. Okay. Now it has 175 and it has 100. 4 bikes are having 100. So let me work upon that and let me think क्या possibilities हो सकती हैं. So A, B, C, D. The total is 100. Right. Okay. See, 50 ki there are 4 bikes. There are 4 bikes for 50. 2 are allocated to Java. 1 is definitely allocated to YSD. So there is only 1 bike left, which can go to either Rajdoot or Luna. Which can go to either Rajdoot or Luna. So now I am working upon Luna right now. Let me give it a 50 over here. Let me give it a 50 over here. So if I am giving a 50 over here, and I have to allocate 50 from these 3, I cannot give a 45. Can I give a 40? Yes, I can give a 40, 50, 40, and then 10 is allocated 5 and 5. So there is possibility of 50, 40, 5 and 5. This makes 100. So in this case, what are the bikes left for these? The bikes left for these would be 1, 2, 3. Total, I have allocated 450s in this case. So in this case, for this, there are 40s left. 40, 40. There are 3 40s left. So another 40. Right? Total 40s were 5. 140 is here. 140 is here. So rest is here. Okay. Now 40, 40, 40. That makes 120. I need 55 more. So that is obviously 20, 20, and 15. Right? 3 and 3, 6 bikes. Perfect. 120, 55, 75. Perfect. So this is one combination possible. Now, can I make any other combination? See, very good. I can clearly say that 50 and 5 are 55. 40 and 15 is also 55. So if I can just interchange these 2 bikes, my work would be sorted. Which means what is the other combination possible? Let me change the color so that you can easily identify. This for at this place there's a 40, and for this 5 there is a 15. Rest are same, right? And for this, now for this 40 there is a 50, and for this 15 there is a 5. Rest all are same. Now anything else is not possible, right? These are the only interchanges that are possible. Anything else, 10 is not there, 45 is not there, 55, no other combination is possible right now. Now let's look at the remaining 2 questions. How many 40 HP motorcycles were with Rajdoot? Were displayed by Rajdoot? Rajdoot 40. So they can either be 3 or 2, right? So they can either be 2 or 3. Okay, fine. If Luna displayed at least 150 HP motorcycle, so if Luna has at least one, so Luna has this case. If this has this case, then this has this niche wala case, 40 wala case, right? Then what can be the minimum engine power of a motorcycle of Rajdoot? Then Rajdoot can have a minimum engine power of 15. Minimum engine power of 15. 15 is the answer for this. Right. So first answer was 650, then 4, then 2 or 3, and then 50. So this completes our interesting set. Right. I'll repeat. If you want to receive these sets in your inbox and you also would receive these read of the day, interesting reads, and everything else, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.